May bagong update si Meta. Hindi na natin kailangan ang maraming followers, hindi na rin natin kailangan ang maraming views. Oo, totoo yan. Sa ating Reels, maging ito ay long form video or short video, ay magkaroon agad ng agarang earnings. Napatunayan ko na yan dahil nung nakarang araw ay nag-try talaga ako kung totoo ito. I uploaded 7 seconds. Yes, 7 seconds na uploads ng aking reels at in few hours nagkaroon ako ng earnings 0.01 na hindi ito nangyari noon dahil ang batayan ay number of views at ganun din ang number of followers. As long as there will be increase of engagement in the form of clicks, reactions, comment, and share in the comment section of the video or the reels we posted, then there will be an automatic earnings. Ganon din sa long form video. I noticed na ang aking long form video, hindi nga ako umabot ng 100 views. Ngunit agad itong nagkaroon ng earnings pa rin. Naging madalian, 0.01 agad. Hindi siya umabot ng isang araw, in few hours lang. Ngunit napansin ko na ang aking content na iyon ay super engaging talaga. It's about paano magkaroon pa ng higit na mabuti na engagement on the comment section, or how to really increase the engagement sa ating posted na post sa comment section. Yun ang isa na long form video ko na agad nagkaroon ng earnings. Ang isa pa, it's about, as I can remember, it's about ways of appreciation to followers, viewers, and including non-followers. At ito ay nagkaroon ng maraming interactions dahil I suggested also that in the comment section, if you're the one who uploaded, you initiate a question. You should have a follow-up question to the one na nagbigay sa iyo ng comment. And in your return reply, you canalize a question related to your post. And so there will be an interaction between you and your commenter. Kaya mapansin agad ito ni Sir Mita na tayo ay nag-uusap, or there is a communication taking place in the comment section. Kaya ito yung good news. Hindi na talaga tayo kailangang mag-focus sa dati nang ginagawian natin na kailangan nating mag-gain ng more followers, more views. Hindi na. Kahit kunti lang followers mo at kunti lang views mo, as long as your engagement is really commendable and recommendable, automatically you will have earnings. Pareho sa short video na reels at long form video na reels. Ano pang hinintay mo? Gumawa ka na ngayon, itry mo rin ang less than 10 seconds, ganun din ang more than 90 seconds. In as much as the latest update last week lang ay wala na tayong prescribed or prescription of the length and the format of the reels. Long form at saka short form ay tatawagin na ito na reels. No more classification. So that's a good news. Mag-post na, now na. Kung mayroon kayong nakuha na karanasan mula sa ibinahagi ko na karanasan sa reels na ito, ay hiniling ko na likes, comment, share my vlog for this time, or itong about good news kay Sir Mita. Magbuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Magbuhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Good life, good person, you. Long live, good life, good person. Ibahagi na ang aking karanasan dahil ang karanasan ko ay maaring maging karanasan mo na rin. I am your teacher, vlogger. Teacher na, vlogger pa. Live and alive, alert, awake and enthusiastic. Somewhere here in Life is Here, Davao City, your teacher vlogger signing off. Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rendon. Thank you for watching. Until my next vlog, see you. Mabuhay!